The perfect student accommodation at 402 Broadway residences in San Francisco awaits you. This property offers non-ensuite rooms that strike the perfect balance between privacy and comfort. After a long day of classes, you could unwind on plush beds equipped by watching your favorite shows on TV using the free high-speed Wi-Fi. In the kitchen, you can restock groceries or reheat leftovers in the microwave for breakfast. A laundry room is at your disposal to efficiently tackle daily chores. It is located within walking distance of Hult International Business School and Golden Gate University. On your way to college, treat yourself to a delightful cup of coffee from Blue Bottle Coffee. You could also savor a pizza from Golden Boy Pizza after an exhausting day. Explore nearby attractions such as Crissy Field or Pier 39 by taking a bus from the Broadway and Columbus Avenue bus stop. Embark on the lifestyle you've envisioned for yourself by booking your stay at 402 Broadway residences in San Francisco through amberstudent.com.